Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and tools. Back up the original. exe and keep a clean test VM. Once done, install UPX or your chosen packer and verify it runs. Make sure to confirm the executable type, PE32 versus PE64, and whether it contains debug symbols or a digital signature, because those change how compression behaves. You'll act differently for signed binaries. Preserve the original and note file paths. Now open a command prompt where the exe is located and get ready to compress. You now perform the compression with deliberate options. Pick a level such as Best or Ultra for maximum size reduction, but remember higher compression can slow startup. Once chosen, run UPX with flags that match the binary and preserve overlays or resources. For example, include no backup if you manage backups separately. After execution, check the packer's exit code and inspect the compressed file size. Make sure to keep the original aside and run quick functional tests to confirm the program still launches and behaves as expected. You finish by validating and restoring production readiness. Run full functionality tests, performance checks, and an antivirus scan on the compressed executable. If the original had a digital signature, make sure to re-sign the compressed file or preserve signing workflows. Otherwise, users may see warnings. If the packed exe crashes or is flagged, revert to the backup immediately and try alternative flags, lower compression, or a different packer. A key troubleshooting tip: if behavior changes, compare logs and run a binary diff to locate altered sections that break execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.